Ini adalah video dari atas pesawat perjalanan dari Seoul, Korea Selatan ke Paris. Di sini kita melihat di permukaan bumi di tanda panah ini itu sudah malam. Terbukti dari lampu-lampunya sudah dinyalakan. Dan karena sudah malam, mereka tidak bisa melihat matahari lagi. Akan tetapi, di atas pesawat, matahari itu masih terlihat. Harusnya, kalau bumi itu bulat, maka mataharinya sudah tidak terlihat, karena sudah berada di lengkungan bumi yang di sebaliknya. Kenapa orang yang berada di dataran bumi di bagian bawah yang sudah malam itu tidak bisa melihat matahari? Karena matahari itu sudah keluar dari perspektif pandangan mata mereka. Namun di atas pesawat, matahari itu kembali terlihat.
Okay, I'm going to stop this for just a minute. I want you guys to notice something here. Notice the hot spot of the sun right on top of the clouds underneath the sun there. And then you notice over here towards the right how dark these clouds look. And over here to the left how dark the clouds look. There's no sunlight hardly on those at all. But right underneath the sun, you see what you call a hot spot. And that right there alone proves that the sun is close and local right above the clouds. I'm going to demonstrate for you right here. Now notice I have a light bulb, which is round, which represents our sun source, and we have a flat mattress, which represents our flat layer of clouds. Now watch as I get the so-called sun down here at the edge by the horizon. Now you see that hot spot right underneath the light bulb? You can only get that hot spot when the light source close and local. Now notice the darkness on each side of the bed, just as you did on the blanket of clouds. It's really, really simple to prove. Notice right here, you see the hot spot underneath the light bulb? When I raise it up high, it lights up the whole bed. We put it back down low to the bed mattress, we get a hot spot. And we raise it back up, it lights up the whole bed mattress. Now remember, on a flat earth, we're following the sun west, so that means it should always be turning just a little bit to the right of you as you're flying behind it, chasing it. That is why you keep seeing this cameraman turn the camera to the right.
Orang yang hidup di kota di bawah ini sudah mengalami malam dan sudah melihat matahari terbenam. Padahal dilihat dari pesawat, sama sekali matahari tidak terbenam.
Welcome to part 2 of chasing the sun around a flat earth. Now in part 2, I'm going to be showing you a flight going east from Paris to Tokyo. Now, if you're flying east on a flat earth, you will fly right into the sun. It will actually pass right over the top of you, which is what you're going to see here in part 2 of chasing the sun around a flat earth. Enjoy. Now notice here, going east, we have the same thing going on with the sun coming at us. See the hot spot underneath it on the clouds? And then see the darkness over here and over here? Look familiar? And the sun is going to pass right over your head right here. Wake up, people. You just seen it with your own eyes.